Hola guys, this is Abhinav from Barcelona, Spain, and today I would like to talk to you about stay back options, job search visa that is called in different countries in Europe for master students. So guys, firstly I would like to talk to you about Spain because I came here in 2019 as a master student and I got a 1 year job search visa here, and I would like to talk to you about Spain firstly. And remember one thing, in order to get the job search visa in Spain, the university that you're studying in should be government recognized here. Then only do you get the job search visa after completing your masters, and you have to find a professional job that is related to your course that you did, and then that company in which you find the job will sponsor your work visa. Then guys, I will talk to you about France. France is a really good option guys because France offers 2 years job search visa, not 1 but 2 years. So guys, 2 years is a lot of time to find a professional job after completing your masters in France, and they pay better as compared to Spain as well in professional jobs, and their market is much better than Spain if you can't talk about professional jobs there. Then guys, I will talk to you about Germany. Germany guys is a very strong country in Europe, as you all may know, and Germany is also offering a very good option. They offer you 1.5 years, 18 months stay back option, job search visa after completing your masters there. And as the market in Germany is massive, there are more job opportunities there in Germany. Now guys, I will talk to you about Ireland. Ireland is another country where I did masters. I had been there in 2016 as a master student, and in Ireland you get a 2 years job search visa after completing your masters there. And guys, if you talk about Ireland, a really good positive about Ireland is that it's an English speaking country. So when you talk about Germany, France, Spain, you have to learn their local language there, which is very important to survive there. But in Ireland you just speak English and you get your jobs done. And also in Ireland you have very big companies, as big American companies like Facebook, Google and Apple have based their headquarters of Europe in Ireland. So guys, especially those studying IT have really good job opportunities in Ireland. Then guys, I will talk to you about Denmark. Denmark is a really good country guys, and if you talk about the job search visa after completing a masters there, it's just 6 months. So if you compare to the other countries that I spoke about earlier, Denmark does not offer a long job search visa after completing your masters. Then guys, I will talk about Holland. Holland is a beautiful country with a lot of tourists there, but if you talk about the education as well, it's really good guys. And Holland also offers 1 year job search visa after completing your masters, and the job market in Holland is pretty impressive as well. Then guys, I will talk to you about one of the most famous destinations in the past for students, international students, that is UK, United Kingdom. So guys, the good news coming from United Kingdom is that after 2020 the government there passed a new law for the students that are doing masters. They get 2 years job search visa now after completing their masters. So guys, that is a very good incentive in going to UK. You get 2 years job search visa, and after Brexit they're supporting students coming there, and it's easier to find jobs there. I heard now after Brexit they want students coming there and they're helping students there to find jobs. I would like to talk to you about a country which may not be as highly ranked as the ones I spoke about earlier, but is a good option for students that have a budget, like a small budget to study abroad in Europe, and that is Poland. Poland is much cheaper for education as compared to the other countries I spoke about there before, and Poland offers a 1 year job search visa after completing your masters. And I have heard from few students in Poland that they did get jobs after completing their masters there, so that's not a bad option as well. But if I talk about the best three options from the countries I spoke about, I think I would rank UK, Ireland, and Germany as the top three options, guys, because these countries are strong. They have a lot of job opportunities, so I would recommend these three countries personally. So, guys, keep watching my videos. Please comment if you want to know something, and all the best with whatever you do. Adios.